Hi everyone, and welcome to this super quick intro to thisislanguage.com. As soon as you log into thisislanguage.com, you'll be taken to this page. The flag beside your name in the top right hand corner shows you which language platform you're in. Just click on it and select the language you're after from the drop down menu. Just below these colourful buttons on the home page, you'll see your feed. You can use your feed to have a look through the tasks that you've set for your classes and see how many of your students have completed them. As you can see, our videos are organised thematically or by exam board to make it as easy as possible for you to find a suitable video for any given class. We divide them first into these broader themes and then into these more specific tags. Once you've chosen a relevant tag, and then you've chosen a video that's suitable for your lesson, you'll come to the videos page. Here, you've got the video and other related videos below, or in other words, other people answering the exact same question. You'll find the 4 exercises that accompany every one of our videos, as well as some handy teacher tools on the right-hand side. All of our video exercises, and indeed all of the exercises on thisislanguage.com, are easy to set, interactive, and wait for it, automatically marked as well. All you need to do to set an exercise is click on the grey Assign a Video Exercise button, fill in the details, and click Save, and that's the exercise set for your class. Your students will see this exercise in their feed as soon as they log into thisislanguage.com. The next thing I want to look at is our structure or grammar section. Our interactive grammar tool helps students learn and improve on all of the grammatical structures they'll need through the use of wacky explainer videos and some carefully scaffolded interactive exercises. Just like our video section, the grammar section is clearly organised and setting these grammar exercises is super easy. Just select the section you're after, fill in the details and click Save. Now for the speaking feature. The speaking tool allows students to practice on their own and record their answer as many times as they wish before submitting their final version. There's a vast choice of ready-made questions, as well as the functionality for teachers to add their own. You'll also find model answers from native speakers, authentic and unscripted as always, and a comprehensive marking and feedback system aligned to the school's chosen exam board. Now we're going to look at the classes section. On this page, you can create a brand new class and add all of the relevant students into it, and you can also keep an eye on exactly how your students are doing on the tasks you've set for them. To do this, just click on this View Work icon next to the class in question, and you'll get a detailed breakdown of exactly how well your students have done in all of their set tasks. Don't forget that we introduced modified content to fit KS3 level in 2022, so you can now use thisislanguage.com with even more of your students. Just head to the KS3 tab in the videos section. And that really is a whistle-stop tour of thisislanguage.com.